G'day, my name's Eden. Do you need some rocks broken? Well, we've got you covered with the Vasara 300 series. This is one of several in the lineup of Vasara rock breakers. Vasara are made in Korea, renowned for their quality manufacturing and high level of workmanship. And that shows in the finish of the welds, the paint, and the small attention to detail, such as the sleeved hoses. This rock breaker is the Vasara 300 series, which is suitable for a 3.5 ton to 5 ton excavator. We've got that fitted on a Yanmar VO35, which is running this fantastically. This particular attachment requires 30 to 60 litres of oil flow a minute, so not super demanding and can be run on older machines. Vasara is known for the durability. Everything in this attachment speaks durability. The Vasara hammer is a silenced variation, so nice and quiet on your work site for those in sensitive noise areas. The chisel is constructed from hardened steel, and the entire case is solid, durable steel with nice cutouts for easy access on your maintenance. To run this on a work site, all you need to do is regularly grease it, and you can expect a long life. If you'd like to learn more about this attachment, get in touch today with Delta Equipment. We'll gladly give you a quote. Thank you.